Hi, good morning everybody. Today we're going to climb Bukit Botak, located at Puncak Alam. Today I'm together with
Yo!
Hua.
Whoa!
So this is your trail start. You're gonna park right down here, walk the side of the, I don't know what, the fence, and then we're gonna go all the way up. Good morning. You're gonna keep going all the way up. Here's me face again. Here's him face again. So according to that auntie,
That's a bicycle trail.
oh, that's a bicycle trail.
Jalan dia
up
lebih
here.
rata. Di sini boleh naik hutan pergi dalam gua. Tapi dia ada tangga, dia ada tali, semua boleh tarik naik atas lah. Kalau nak tengok pokok, kena turun sini. Lepas tu datang atas balik.
Itu saja dari sini. Sana ada satu petunjuk, kita akan ke sana. Kita lihatlah. Sini ada lumpur. Kami dari Kuala Lumpur. Di sini. Ini dia. Are we going to see the? Oh, cantik juga. Cantiknya view. We're gonna go up to that one.
Welcome to Bukit Cherakah, named after Sir William Cherakah. And right now we're ascending to the Cherakah Peak.
Wait ah.
I won.
Usaha yang telah dipelajari.
Janganlah aku gemuk bodoh.
Ya, dia berjaya. You panjat bukit macam ni, you dapat ini view. This place is really good, really viral. So try not to come here on a weekend. Today is Thursday, so
Yeah.
those who have to work, sorry if you can only come weekend. Face a lot of people here, but look at that. Wow. See like here, here cantik. Here cantik hijau-hijau kan. Tapi tengok jauh-jauh you tak nampak. Ay. So later on we'll be going all the way that side. I think that way will lead to Bukit Botak. Tengok orang vandalisme di sini ya. Onwards, onwards St. John's. This is the peak. Can you see on my camera? Let me take a picture of you, man. Hi guys, so if you keep following the trails, you will come to this big tree. See? Ta-da! So I'm kind of lost. I want to ask for directions. Bro, sini pergi mana? Sini gua, sini botak. Gua ada apa dekat gua?
Jangan nampak gua je.
We're not going to go down the gua this time. So the gua quite dangerous. We're going to keep it safe. We're going to show you guys how to get to Bukit Botak, okay? Reach already ah? Ini dia, Bukit Botak. Macam mana? I think we go that side. I think you gotta go down and then you masuk from here. Then you come back up again. So kita turun dari sini. Mungkin bukan sini. Kita sidewalk sini.
Di tempat pembinaan ni dilarang masuk.
No lah, cannot be lah. Look at that. How can you? Okay. Okay, we try. We just try lah. Okay, if got dog, I run first, huh? Okay. So follow the Saya pun kena. Jangan ketawakan orang. You dapat karma. Ini macam lah. Next round. Are you alright? That was where we are just now. Up there. You see? Magnificent. Mad. Look at that. Guys, this is Bukit Botak. Thank you so much to these two sisters who brought us up here. The trails are pretty tough. It's Botak. It's really gonna get hot, but thankfully the sun today not that sunny. Quite cloudy and it's still bearable. Let's see what more we can capture from here. So here we are, Bukit Botak. Oh, tada! You get to see all these Sadly to say, but you can see deforestation happening. You can see a very good view of the woods. This is Tan Kok Hua who made it also. So this round we didn't get to go to the Bayan tree and also the Gua, so stay tuned for our next episode. And plus we're heading home, the sun is getting hot over time. Thank you very much for watching. Hike safe, trail safe, happy hiking.
Yeah!